This is my kids' personal mini compost. I've created this with them, and today they are 6 and 7 years of age. And with the help of a process I applied with them of getting them interested and excited about the composting activity, I know that their leftovers will reach here and then back to the ground without me being pushy or forcing them to do so, or even asking. A children-friendly composting process is one step out of the simple 3 steps I teach in our on-demand class about how to grab our kids' attention towards this invaluable, highly educational activity of composting. So if this interests you and you would like to apply this process along with your kids, go learn how to do it. The class is free and I'm sure you will enjoy it.